pass the NCLEX Next Gen. I am a repeat test taker. The first 2 times I utilized UWorld and ATI. I am not the kind of person that likes to sit there and study. And I heard about the ReMar on Facebook, the ReMar V2 program. So I said, why not? Let's do it. And so I purchased it. And what I like about ReMar is that they have the virtual trainer, and the videos are like some of them are 8 minutes up to 30 minutes. She goes over the content of what you need to know for the NCLEX. Nothing more, nothing less, just straight to the point. And I like that you can print out this virtual trainer workbook, and it coincides with the videos, and you can take your notes right there. So I did that. The program was actually easy and quick. They recommend 3 weeks. I finished it in a week. I had goals. I took it on Saturday, and I found out Monday morning that I passed. My test shut off at 99 questions. I also purchased the Quick Fact for NCLEX book, and I read that from front to back. And in between everything, I also studied. She has the quiz bank, and I thought that was awesome. It was content based, and when I sat there for the NCLEX, I didn't feel as nervous. I felt prepared. The day of my test, I just prayed, and I let go, and I let God, and I'm just happy to say that I passed using ReMar. So thank you.